guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you very much. Please support your girl, support me. Thank you. I really appreciate the few subscribers I have now. With time we are growing. So today guys, I'll be showing you guys how to make this braided hairbands, which is trending now. This trending hairbands, you can do it at home, so you can do it by yourself. It's not so hard. If you know how to sew, you can use a needle and thread also. So these are some of the materials we'll be needing: your tape rule, your glue gun, hot glue gun, your scissors, your thread, your tailor's chalk, and your fiber. Very important. This fiber is important. We have to stuff the material with the fiber. So I'll be taking the measurement of the material. I've already cut out 3 pieces of the material. So for the width of each of the 3 pieces I cut out is about 3 inches. You can see it on the screen. It's about 3 inches, while the length is about 35 inches. 35 inches long. So that I'll be needing. You can increase your length to 36 can work also, and you can also reduce it. For children, I think about 27 is okay for children, but for adults, 35 and 36 is okay for the length. Now I'll be folding the material into two so that I can sew it. The bad side, that is the rough part of the satin, is facing out, while the good side, the smoother part of the satin, the shiny side, is inside. And I'll take it to my machine and I sew it straight, give it a straight seam. Now we are back. This is how it looks after sewing. So we turn it, you know how we turn it now with our scissors, we turn it to the front. Yes, after turning it, you don't need to iron it, because if you iron it, will be very smooth. So we just need it to be like this, and we'll fill it to our fiber. So I'll start filling to the fiber now. Use the scissors to push the fiber in. This process can be a bit tedious, but if you are patient, you can do it. At least it does not take time. About 30 minutes for each of them. It's not up to 30 minutes, sha, but it's very tedious. If you have to be patient to fill it, and don't make it too stiff. While filling it, be checking it. Let it not be too tight. I'm done filling the 3 materials with the fiber, guys. You can see how it is not too tight. So you fill it, but don't make it stiff, don't make it too tight. And then I join the 3 edges, the open spaces. I take it to my machine and I join the 3 edges together. Note, you put where we sewed, where the seam line is showing, you put it on one side. Let the seam line be on one side. Look at it. Are you seeing it now? 1, 2, 3. They're on one side. Then you sew it. So now it's time to braid. I don't have it to hold it for me, so I am using my sewing machine to hold down the edge so that I can braid it. But if you have someone to hold it for you, that would be better to make your work easier. But I'm alone, so that's why I use my machine to hold it down and I braid it. Don't make the braiding too tight. If you know how to braid, just braid it not too loose and not too tight. Let it be closed up. So now I'm going to join the 2 edges together. But before that, I'm going to sew this part, the end of the braiding. I'll sew with my needle and thread because my machine can't climb the end because of the fiber is stuffed in it. So I'll use my needle and thread to hold it together, and to secure it. Then after securing it, I will bend it over like this, and I will sew it. I will sew the 2 together. I will join it together very tight. Secure it very tight. So after sewing it, you guys can see how it looks. Our headband is now ready. Not fully ready, but at least partially. We're almost done. So now I'm going to this material. I cut it out from my. I did not show you guys in the first video, in the beginning. Sorry. So it's about 6 inches width and 7 inches length. Just to cover up that part that I sewed, so to make the work look neat and classy. Sure you get. So now we sew. And then we turn it to the front. So the part I seamed will be in the middle. You put it in the middle, not by the side. Yeah, put it in the middle. You can try to iron it after doing that, but I not iron my shirt. There was actually no need. So I made a mistake here, so you guys will see the correct hand. So now that seam part will be facing up, then you sew. After joining it together, after sewing it, you now cut out the excess and turn the folding to the front part where the seam line is not going to show. You see it's all covered up now. So I'm going to use my hot glue gun to just secure it, to hold it in place. I don't be moving or shifting while you wear it. I've plugged my glue gun already. Yes, our braided hairband is now ready to wear. You can see how neat and beautiful it looks. I'm going to be showing you guys how to wear this braided hairband. You can wear it in different ways, in different styles, and rock it on different outfits and on different hairs. Also, if you have a turban cap, you can wear your turban cap and also wear your braided hairband with it, and it will look like to look so natural, like a natural turban, and it will be very, very fine. Also for your hijabs, after wearing your hijabs, you can put on the braided hairband. That's for my Muslim subscribers. You can put on the braided hairband too. Christians, you can wear it to church, so you can wear it for events. You can wear it. It's just very good and very beautiful. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. Bye.